A red circle logo with an inner white ring forming a G pointing to an L text, LG Life's Good. Troubleshooting and resolving odors in your LG dishwasher.
Troubleshooting and resolving odors in your LG dishwasher.
A dishwasher full of dishes installed in a counter.
If you've noticed an odor inside your LG dishwasher, the issue can usually be resolved with routine dishwasher maintenance procedures. If your dishwasher is brand new and you notice a burning-like smell, this is unique to any electrical appliance and should decrease when you use the dishwasher 10 to 20 times.
People stand in a modern kitchen. A man loads the dishwasher.
To ensure top performance and prevent mildew-type odors, check the outside and inside of the appliance, including filters and spray arms, regularly.
The bottom of the inside of the dishwasher with a 4-armed spinning sprayer attached to the bottom.
Clean the filters, spray arms, and interior according to the maintenance section of the owner's manual.
Wavy green lines rise from a close dishwasher. A woman opens it and removes dishes.
If you've been away for an extended period and you notice an odor inside the appliance, check for food in the bottom of the unit or in the filters. Clean if required.
Steam rises inside a closed dishwasher.
Food residue may also be stuck in the narrow gaps inside the dishwasher after a cycle is complete.
She wipes the sprayer arms and bottom of dishwasher with a cloth.
Wipe off all food residue with a soft, damp cloth or sponge.
A drawing of a bottle labeled dishwasher cleaner.
After cleaning the filters and interior, use a dishwasher cleaner and deodorizer to remove any residual odor. Refer to the owner's manual for information about cleaner placement and use, and do not obstruct the rotation of the spray arms. White vinegar.
A woman pours a bottle of white vinegar into a spoon. They pour it into a glass.
You may use white vinegar or citric acid if preferred. To use white vinegar, pour approximately 7 to 10 ounces into a shallow bowl and place it in the upper rack. Do not pour white vinegar directly into the base or use it excessively, as it may cause damage to the appliance.
A no symbol appears over the bottom rack of the dishwasher. A circle appears around the auto button on the outside of the dishwasher.
Then run an auto cycle without using detergent. When the cycle is finished, restart. Citric acid. If using citric acid, remove all dishes, cutlery baskets, and cutlery basket holders from the appliance.
A dishwasher full, then empty of dishes and baskets. A pot of powder next to a lemon.
Measure 3 tablespoons, 1.5 ounces of citric acid powder.
The detergent dispenser of the dishwasher fills with white powder.
Fill the main detergent dispenser with the measured citric acid powder and run an auto cycle. Your LG dishwasher should provide you with years of high-quality, trouble-free service.
A man loads the dishwasher. A woman inspects a wine glass.
These routine maintenance procedures will help keep it clean and odor-free. For more LG dishwasher troubleshooting tips, visit the LG.com help library.
A support website, lg.com/us/support. Text, LG, Life's Good. Learn more at lg.com.